We have covered animals a bit. Now, let us move on to humans. And this is where the USSR enters the stage. Whenever it comes to topics that are not notably ethical, the USSR is never far away. The Soviet Union was quite well known for its inhumane treatment of its own citizens in all areas of life. So it is not surprising that it was the Soviet leadership who came up with the idea of conducting an experiment involving cosmonauts having sex in orbit. By the 1960s, they were already performing far more questionable experiments, and the leadership gave absolutely no thought to morality. The result of all this was that the French women's magazine Madame, citing the portal Futura Sciences, published an article claiming that the first attempt at intimate contact in the history of space exploration might have taken place aboard a Soviet space station. According to the French newspaper Le and the scientific and informational portal Futura Sciences, in the year 1982, senior officials of the USSR's space program admitted that the first attempt at intimate contact in space occurred on board the Salyut-7 station, involving Svetlana Savitskaya and one of the male cosmonauts, either Leonid Popov or Alexander Serebrov. There is no precise information regarding which one it was, since Savitskaya avoided discussing this specific topic in press interviews. However, she also never denied it. And that is, overall, quite logical, because in the late Soviet Union, the topic of sex was taboo and considered shameful. Everyone remembers the famous phrase, "There was no sex in the Soviet Union." Such was that country of contrasts. Absolutely immoral experiments on one hand, and a complete social taboo on the subject of sex on the other.